inspired by what you've learned and completely delighted by what you've tasted.
This food pantry will never pay for itself because the end users will never be asked to pay for this service. Full stop.
Every day, keep the dream alive.
Any revenue over expenses gets reinvested into this pantry. We have QR codes on our meals and phone numbers and information so that people can give us feedback directly. Because we do want to know if our meals are not delicious. The good news is they are. We are delighted to be here to serve them, but we would happily see those numbers go down and put ourselves out of business.
I would like to have all of you give a round of applause of our chef du jour.
Keep the dream alive.